so that's the base for the kitchen. We raised it up so that we can have a little bit of storage for sheet goods underneath. So the idea is to have 2 full-size sheets fitting in underneath the kitchen. So all the kitchen cabinets are gonna go on that wall, and that's the reason why I'm currently now moving all of these cables from what was up there, which would be then right in the middle of the wall. And we're gonna run those underneath the base here. We're just moving the electrical, we're not really messing with it at all. We're just gonna run this stuff underneath the kitchen diagonally, and then we're gonna run it up again on the other side. And then the rest of the wall is gonna be the same as it used to be. It's a little bit extra work, but hey, we're only gonna do it once. Alright, that was a pretty good first day of construction. It's great to finally get to build stuff. We got the base for the kitchen done. The floor is done. We're probably gonna end up putting another floor on top of this that looks a little bit nicer. But we've got the layout pretty much figured out. We've got a small little dishwasher. That's gonna be like trash recycling. We still need to find a small fridge, a couple of drawers, and an oven with a stove. I'm gonna go home and get some sleep, but for you guys, it's just gonna be a moment. Alright, so look at this, progress. I thought I'd give you guys a little update on what has been happening here the last few days. Probably the most obvious thing is that we now have a glass wall. We built this by first building the wooden frame, and then we routed out these channels for the glass to fit in. It's just glued in here like that. And we're gonna put another piece of trim on the outside here to make it look all nice. Also, as you can see, we painted the room. So the wall here is a nice warm gray color, and the ceiling and everything else is white. Still need the last layer of paint. That's gonna go on both the wall and the ceiling. I'm gonna do that right now. After that, we're gonna hopefully prime the wood parts. And then we're waiting for a plumber to come and plumb the hot water heater that's now actually underneath the floor. The dishwasher over there still needs to be hooked up. And then also, yesterday we went and got a nice little sink here so that we can wash our hands or dirty tool, and we can do that outside of the kitchen. So that's gonna be super nice. That's it, I'm gonna get painting now, and hopefully we're gonna get a little more work done today. All right, let's do it. Okay, so now that we painted all the walls and the ceiling, I'm now trying to get rid of these sharp metal edges from the windows. So as I said earlier, we took the normal windows that had like 2 panes of glass and we cut those down the middle, which left this sharp aluminum profile in between. It comes off pretty easily with just a knife in between here. It just takes a little bit of time. And then what we're left with is this nasty semi-sticky glue still, which we're gonna have to scrape off. But first, I need to get rid of all of this trim. And then hopefully we can just scrape off the rest of this with one of these. That was 2 layers of primer on the frames around the windows. It's time now to get some paint on here. For that, we're gonna use this random paint that we have laying around that is called Tender Green. It looks like that. So yeah, let's get painting. We cleaned up the workshop quite a bit yesterday. What do you guys think? Looks pretty nice and clean, right? You saw us build a staircase? Well, I mean, you saw me filming Simon and Lucien building a staircase. Did he? That turned out pretty nice. It has a nice little French cleat system. It just hooks on. Really nice and sturdy. And yeah, the kitchen is coming along. Alright guys, that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. We got a ton of stuff done today. I'm super happy with the progress that we made on the kitchen. Tune in next time where we're going to lay the flooring for the kitchen. That one right there. And also stay tuned for a new update video on the wall that we're building and in general building out my side of the workshop. There's a ton of new cool things that I've got planned, so consider subscribing, give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!